So hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel guys. Hope you guys are doing well, and in this video we will be discussing about the institutional concepts of supply and demand zone, and we will be discussing about the support and resistance level and the example. So guys, let's get into today's video. So guys, at the time of recording this video, we are looking at the Solana chart guys in a 5-minute time frame. And first of all, I'll tell you that what is exactly the demand and what is exactly the supply guys. So guys, the institutional concept of supply and demand zone is very simple. What is exactly the supply? These are the concept of macroeconomics guys, and I will let you and I will make you understand that how important is this concept in trading guys. As trading, we are definitely trading the digital assets guys. So the simple concept is, the simple concept of macroeconomics is when there is an asset and it is definitely needed and it's in demand guys, the price of that exact or that subject or that asset definitely start to increase guys. So what exactly it means, that it definitely, in a simple concept of trading, it definitely acts as a support level guys. So guys, this is exactly the support level. You guys can see that. So guys, this is exactly why we call a support a demand zone guys. You guys can see that why it's a demand zone, because where the price of an asset is definitely low, whenever the price is reaching this exact level, the price is starting to move and go up guys. This is something what we should be looking after. You guys can see that the price is moving to the upside, and if we look at this price range, definitely again we are moving up. So guys, this is the exact demand zone from where the price will definitely start to go up. That's why, and why it's going up, because definitely this asset is selling for on a very cheap prices guys. That's why demand is always on the lower sides and supply will be definitely on the other sides of that. What is exactly the supply guys? Supply is a point or the stage of that exact price action of any asset, is that where we increase the asset supply is increased guys. When the asset supply is increased guys, mean nobody is interested exactly, because if everybody is buying, then who's selling it? Because there's a lot of amount of supply of that definite asset guys. More amount of asset, the decrease amount of interest in that simple asset guys. So this is what exactly the supply is. So let's recap the concept guys. Simple as this. The demand zone is the price where the asset is selling on a very cheap prices. So guys, everyone will definitely buy it. So that's mean that there is a definite amount, that there is a supply of this asset, because everybody is buying it, and the price range from that exact price will definitely go to increase. So guys, this is what exactly the lower bands will be definitely the demand zone. When the supply of that asset is increasing guys, it means that nobody's interested in this asset guys. The price of that asset definitely try to decrease guys. So the thing is, if we compare this macroeconomics concept with trading guys, the simple concept is that exactly the supply zones are the resistances where the price definitely start to go down from there, while the demand zones are the zones where we look for the support guys, from where the price of any single crypto coin start to pump. This is the simple concept of trading guys. If we look at this price action guys, you guys can see that how easy this is to trade right here. You guys can see that the price move from this demand zone, as you guys have drawn this demand zone guys. Every single time the price will touch this price action, it will definitely start to pump. And you guys can see that when the price reached this demand zone guys, the price pumped from this demand zone all the way up to the support level guys, and then again the price dropped, and then again the price reaches the supply zone guys, where, as I said, that nobody's interested to buy exact this asset. That's why we are again dumping guys, and then again we are reaching this supply zone, again we are dumping. This is how simple trading is guys. This is how simple you trade guys. And again we are reaching this demand zone, and then again the price is pumping to the supply zone, and again we drop somehow because there's a supply zone. Again we are moving again to the supply zone, and when everybody is selling it and nobody's interested in the asset, again the price is dropping guys. Again the price is dropping, and you guys can see one time will come that definitely at this supply level guys, at this supply level, when there is a kind of a hype in every single project guys. So when there is a strong hype, and when everybody is even buying at the supply zone guys, so this exactly turn guys. You guys can see that we moved from this price action, this supply zone guys, and now as we break over the supply zone, it turned into what you call a demand zone guys, and now we move to the demand zone, and then again we move to the next supply zone, guys, and from this supply zone again we are going down, and you guys can see again we reached, guys, again we reached exactly the demand zone, guys, and again reaching demand zone, we are again, people are buying, again the prices are pumping, and again we are reaching this demand zone, again the prices are pumping. So this is how exactly the demand and the supply zone is, and you guys can see that if we stretch this, and it works on every time frame, guys, it exactly works on every time frame, and you guys can see at this price action, guys, as we break below this demand zone, guys, as we break below this demand zone, and there is nobody to sell it, and there's definitely a high demand, guys, now. So we move to this exact, so as we break over this demand zone, guys, so guys, what exactly means this? Now reaching this demand zone again will be definitely a supply zone when everybody will sell, but when the price action is very strong and the structure is very strong, guys, then definitely we break over this supply zone and we turn the supply zone into demand zone. As simple, the turning a resistance into support, guys, and again we are reaching this demand zone, and again we are pumping. So guys, this is how exactly you should trade, guys, and there is nothing very complex, guys. Simply, if you guys want to long the position, just long the position till the next supply zone. This is how you trade from one demand zone to the next supply zone. This is our first trade. The next trade will be when we are again reaching this supply zone, guys. Open a short position to the next demand zone. Again, you guys can see again a good trade, guys, again a very good trade. You guys, if you look at again this price action, guys, if you look at again, even if we look at this region, guys, again we're reaching the supply zone. Again, if you bought this exact price of Solana, guys, again the price pumped all the way. We are looking at the very small time frames, guys, so this is a kind of a 2% up on the price of Solana. So this is how you trade, guys. And again, as we reach this price action, again you guys should have bought it again in this demand zone, and the price action, you guys continue, the price continues all the way up to this region, guys. So this is how exactly you trade. And as I said, guys, once we break over any single supply zone, the supply zone turn into a demand zone. And you guys, the simple example is that when the price reaches this, as we break over the supply zone turn into a demand zone, and then now it's a demand zone. You guys will buy at the supply. What was the supply zone? As we break over this supply zone, it turns to a demand zone. Again we break to this demand zone, guys, and again we are pumping. You guys see this? This is how exactly and how important the trading is and how simple the trading is. And you guys can see what is the next supply zone for this region, guys. This is the next supply zone, guys. So what is the price action, guys? You guys can see that we are showing a rejection at this point, guys. Right here, what do you mean by there is a supply zone? And again we are reaching this supply zone, guys. Simple as you like. Again short this region, into this supply zone, guys. That was exactly the supply zone, but we move over this supply zone, guys. Now it's a demand zone, guys, and you guys can see that the price is definitely going sideways, guys. You guys can see that this is how simple the trading is. The price is exactly ranging this zone. And again, guys, what I said, now this is the demand zone, guys, and if we break over this demand zone, guys, or next demand zone was where exactly this region, guys, right? This is the exact region, guys. If you guys remember, this was the exact demand zone, guys. And now if we extend this demand zone, guys, you guys can see that exactly from this guys, so this is how simple the trading is, guys. From this supply zone we move to our previous, guys, our first demand zone again. So you guys, if you look at this, it's almost a 4% simple trade. So guys, this is how exactly the price action should be. Then open a long position, guys. How simple is this? Again to this supply zone. If you guys have look at this, this is how simple trading is, guys. This is how simple trading is. And as you guys can see that we are again turning over this supply zone, move from demand zone, guys, into supply zone. We again move over this supply zone, guys. You guys can see we has move over this supply zone. Now this is again a demand zone, guys, and we are reaching again our demand zone. You guys should have bought again, guys, and then again the price is pumping. You see this? This is how this is not the magic, guys. This is trading, guys. This is exactly live trading now. And if you look at this price action, this is definitely the demand zone for now, guys. This is the demand zone for now. If we look at the current price action, we should have simply understand that this is what region, guys. Just now tell me this what is this region, guys? This is a live trading, guys. What is exactly the zone? This zone is a demand zone, guys. Every single time the price of Solana is reaching this region, definitely the price continue to go up from here. You guys can see this, and you guys should have seen this price, this kind of price action, and you will see it again, guys. You guys can see that we pumped again right here, and we pumped again right here, guys, again right here from this demand zone, guys. And now we are again moving to the upside from this region. You see this is the demand zone, and what is exactly the supply zone, guys? So what is exactly the supply zone? The supply zone is this region, guys. You see this, and almost Solana is almost facing the supply zone, guys. As we reach to this region, guys, as we reach to the supply zone, there is a more definite continuation that the price will, there is definitely a more chance the price will definitely go down from here. But the other thing is, the other concept is that if we make over through this resistance level, or what you call it, a supply level, it will turn into a demand zone. And from this, guys, you guys should have buy again on this demand zone, and then the price will definitely start to continue to go up. This is simple, has simple trading you guys you like. So simply wait, guys. The price reaching this region, guys, just long this position. Every single time the price is ranging this region, every single time the price is reaching the demand zone, guys, just buy. And every single time the price is reaching the supply zone, guys, just sell it. Simple as you like, to the next resistance level, what you call it, to the next support level, guys. This is how simple you trade, guys. No complexity, and this is the exact simple as you can, the simple concept of supply and demand zone and the support and resistance level. So guys, if you guys like my content, and if you guys like this video, guys, make sure to like this video. And if you guys want me to cover all the other concepts, so guys, let me know in the comment box. So guys, as always, until next time, take care of yourselves.